Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple battery in SolidWorks, and later we assemble all the parts in battery. So let's see how to create this simple battery design in SolidWorks. First of all, see the explode view of this battery. So simply select the assembly and select right click and make it animate explode, and now it is explode from its position. So let's see how we assemble this all the parts in battery design. So let's see how to create this part. So again we select this assembly and right click and make it collapse, then okay. And now we design this simple battery design in SolidWorks. So go to the file and now select new, then select part, then okay. And now we enter the SolidWorks interface and make the background to plain white. So click plain white and select the top plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the rectangle of 500 and 330. So make it center rectangle. So select center rectangle and from this point and make it, and go to the smart dimension and make it 500 mm. So select, then okay. And this length will be 330 mm. So select 330 mm, then okay. And make the fillet of 10 mm from all the corner. If you want to apply all the corner, so select fillet and it will be selected 10 mm, and now drag up to all the corners, it will be selected, then okay. And again make the extrude this rectangle to 600 mm. So go to the feature and select extrude boss base and make it 600, then okay. Now we extrude this part and make the fillet of 5 mm to this face. So simply go to the feature and now select fillet and select 5 mm and select this corner, it will be selected, then okay. Now we apply the fillet to lower part of this battery, and we make the cell of 3 mm to above face. So go to the cell and make the cell of 3 mm, select parameter and select this face, then okay. Now we seal this part and from this face make the extrude. So simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and first of all make the center line. So select this point to this point and make the line of offset 2 mm both the sides. So simply select the offset entity and select 2 mm, then okay. And now select this center line, it will be selected one line. If you want to both lines, so select bi-directional it, then okay, it will be selected, and then select this. Now select the line and combine this point to this point, and again from this make the line this point to this point, and make the extrude of this line up to 570 mm from this face. Now go to the features and select extrude boss base and make it 570 mm, then okay. And select this and it will be selected. Now we make the multiple body to, so we use the linear pattern. So select linear pattern and make this body, and the distance between two bodies will be 60 mm. So go to the linear pattern and select the direction, select this line, and features will be selected this line, and the gap between both the two bodies will be 60 mm. So make it 60 mm, and the number of parts will be 4, so make it 4, then OK. And again make the linear pattern to this body. So select this direction and select this body and make it reverse direction, so it will be reverse, then OK. Again we make the body of this battery, and on this face select, then sketch, then normal, and we give the name of this battery if you want to apply. So make the center line, so select this and make the center line this up to this, and make sure it is horizontal, then OK. And select the text, and we select the text, and now select the curve. So simply select this line and select the text. So I make it Exide battery, then and make it center alignment and make it bold. Now we increase the font size, so simply go to the font and select the point and select the point 36, then now it is very small, so make it bigger, so simply select 48, then OK. Now it is good, and make the gap between this line, and then OK. And again we make the extrude cut, so go to the features and select extrude cut, and make the extrude cut up to 1 mm, so select 1 mm, then OK. And again select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and now we make the straight slot, so simply select this, now select and select the straight slot and make the straight slot up to this, then OK. And make the smart dimension and make it 208, then OK. And it will be large, so make it 180, then OK. So it is, make it 170. Now select 170, then OK. And make the extrude cut up to 5 mm, So make the dimension of this, go to the smart dimension and make it 22 mm. Now okay, and from this center line to this line will be 120 mm. Then okay, and make the extrude cut to 0.5 mm. So go to the feature and make extrude cut 0.5 mm. So select 0.5 mm. Then okay, and on this face make the sketch. So simply select and right click sketch, then normal, and now we apply the center line from this to this, and make the sketch on this line. So select the text and now select this and select the make it then make it center alignment and make it bold. Select bold and use font size and make it 36. Then okay, and select it bold, and now we make the extrude cut up to 0.5 mm. So go to the feature and select extrude cut and make it 0.5 mm. Then okay, now we design the body of the battery, and again we on this face make the extrude on this face. So simply select this face, right click sketch, then normal, and go to the convert entities and select the outer all the corners. Select all the corners and make it convert entities. So select separately. So select this line and now select this line and this line and the last one this line, and make it convert entity, and from this we make the offset from this of 10 mm. So go to the offset entity and make the offset of 10 mm. So enter and select this line, it will be selected, but we don't want to bi-directional, we want only one direction. So untick the bi-directional and it will be only one direction. Then okay, and from this sketch make the extrude of 10 mm. So go to the feature and select extrude boss base and make it 10 mm, but we apply this extrude to reverse direction. So simply select reverse, then okay, and we make the fillet on this corner of 5 mm. So simply go to the fillet and select the 5 mm and select this corner, then okay, now we design the body of the battery. So we apply the material on this body. So simply go to the appearance and select the plastic and select high gloss plastic and simply select this and drag up to this body and it will be selected. Now we design the body of the battery and again we design the upper part of the body. So simply save this body design. So go to the file and now select new, go to the file and select save as, and go to the desktop and click new folder and make it battery design. Then OK, and make the file main body and save it. Now we design the upper case of this battery design. So go to the file and now select new, select part, then OK, and make the background to plain white. So make it plain white and go to the top plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the center line rectangle. So select center rectangle and make the dimension of this rectangle 520 into 350. So go to the smart dimension and select this line and make it 520, then OK, and this line will be 350, then OK, and make this rectangle stood up to 30 mm from this. So simply go to the features and select extrude boss base and make up to 30 mm. So make it 30 mm, then OK, and make the from this all the corner, make the fillet. So simply select this and make the fillet all the corners. So I select this, make the corner of 20 mm from all the corners. So select and make it. Now go to the fillet. Now go to the fillet and select the 20 mm. Now select this corner and this corner, again select this corner and the last one this corner, then OK, and from this face make the sketch. So simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the line from this point up to this. Now make it this point and this line, and again make the line up to this and select this line to this line to this point, then OK, and go to the smart dimension and make this line 76.92. so select 76.92, then OK, and this line will be 182.44. so select 182.44, then OK, and this line will be 63.96. so select 63.96, then OK, and this gap between this line, it will be 79.96. so select 79.96, then OK. And the last, and this line will be this line will be 50.64. so select 50.64, then OK. And overall this length will be 77.61. so select 77.61, then OK. And overall, now we design this sketch on this face, and overall distance will be 340 mm. so go to the smart dimension and make this line and this line, it will be 340 mm, but we make it opposite direction, so this sketch will be on this face. So I design in wrong direction, and go to the normal. We have one option to make on this face, so simply select this sketch and select this point to this point, and again exit the sketch. Now select this face sketch and go to the convert integer and select this sketch. So simply select this sketch and make it, but it will be not convert on this face, so make it on this face. So simply select this and make the line from this face to up to this, and now select this line to this and up to this point to this point, and make the smart dimension from this point to this point will be 340 mm, then OK. And make this length 76.92. so select 76.92, then OK. And this length will be 180.44. so select 182.44, then OK. And this gap will be 63.96. so select 63.96, then OK. And again this line will be 50.64. so select 50.64, then OK. And overall this length will be 77.61. so make it 77.61, then OK. And this line will be 60, and then OK. Now we design this sketch and make the select this point to up to this point, and again make the extrude of this sketch to 518 mm. so go to the features and now select extrude boss base and make it 518 mm, then OK, but in reverse direction, and select OK. And now make the fillet of 20 mm. so go to the fillet and select this corner, select all the corner, this and this corner, make it 20 mm. so select this corner also and last this corner, then OK. And we also make the fillet, and on this face make the extrude cut. So simply select this face and select right click sketch, then normal, and make the center line from this point. So select center line up to this point and ensure that it is vertical. So select and it is select the center line and select this point to this line and make the sketch. So make the line from this line up to this line, and select 3-point arc from this point to this point up to this, and make the line up to this and select from this point. Go to the trim and delete this sketch, and now go to the smart dimension and make it 110 mm, then enter, and this also be 110 mm. So select and make it 110 mm, then OK, and this will be 20 mm, so it will be 20, then OK, and from we make the mirror to this sketch up to this sketch. So we use mirror. Now go select the mirror entity and now select this sketch and mirror about the center line, then OK, and we extrude this part up to this face, to this face. Now go to the feature and now select extrude cut and make the extrude cut, and condition will be up to the surface, and select this surface, then OK. Sorry, something wrong on this sketch, so select sketch, right click, then normal, and this line is not horizontal, make not vertical, again now select edit sketch, then normal, and select the line and make the trim and trim up to this, and make the line from this point to this point, and again now make the trim and select this and this one, and make the line from this sketch to this point, and trim this, and it's also be trim, and go to the and select this point to this point and select up to this, and again make the line up to this. Now trim this also and select this line up to this point and trim this sketch, then OK, and exit the sketch. Now we trim this part. So again we make the extrude cut on this face. So simply select this face, sketch, then normal, and again make the make the line. So select this line up to this and select now select normal and make trim this sketch and select the line and select this point to this and this point to this up to this sketch and select this and select this line to this sketch up to this, and we make this. So go to the smart dimension and from this point and this line, from this point and this line, the distance 46. Now OK, and the gap of this sketch. So go to the smart dimension, select this line and this point, select this and this line, and gap will be 25 mm, then OK, and make the extrude cut through all. So go to the feature and make the extrude cut through all, then OK, it will be cut from this face. And now we on this face make the cell of 3 mm. So go to the cell and now select this face and make the cell of 3 mm, then OK, and it will be cell from this part. And again on this face, select this face, right click sketch, then normal, and make the circle of 62 mm. So select the circle and make the circle on this and go to the smart dimension and make it 62 mm, then OK, and from this point and this, the length will be also 62. The length will be from this point, make it 60 mm, then OK, and make the extrude boss base up to 10 mm. So go to the feature and select extrude boss base and make it 10 mm. Then okay, but the condition will be not merge result, so select untick the merge result, then okay. And again on this face make the sketch, right click, then normal, and go to the center line, and from this make the center line up to this, and go to the offset entity and make the offset of 2 mm, and select bidirectional and select this sketch, it will be selected, then okay, and make the line from this up to this line, and again select the line, and from this line to up to this line, and now select the smart dimension from this point to this point, it will be 1 mm, then okay, and make the trim, so simply select and trim and drag up to this, and make the smart dimension here, so simply select this point, and now select this point and make it 1 mm, then okay, and make it trim, so simply and select drag, and it will be trim from this face, then okay, and make the extrude this will to 20 mm, so simply go to the features and now select extrude boss base, and make the extrude up to 20 mm, then okay, it will be extruded from this. And now we make the linear pattern to multiple bodies, so we make the linear pattern, so go to the linear pattern and now select the direction, now select this line, and features and faces, select this and this, and the gap between will be 100 mm, so make it 100 mm, and the number of bodies will be 5, so make it 5, and it will be more, so make it 100, then okay, it will be comes inside this body, and again from this face make the sketch, so select this face, right click sketch, then normal, and make the center line from this point to this, and select the center line, and make the center line of 50 mm into 75 mm, so select this sketch and make it, go to the smart dimension and select this line, it will be 75 mm, enter, and select this line, it will be 50 mm, then okay, and make the mirror from this point, and make this sketch mirror to this face, so go to the center, make the center line from this and go to the mirror entity. Select this sketch and mirror about this line, then OK, and make this sketch extrude up to 50 mm. So go to the features and select extrude boss base and extrude up to 50 mm, then OK. But this sketch will not merge, so simply and make it edit feature and untick the merge result, then OK. Again on this face, select this face sketch and make it convert entity. So simply select convert entity and select this face and make it and make the offset of 4 mm. So go to the offset entity and select this sketch and the gap will be 4 mm, but it is not bidirectional, and make it reverse direction, then OK. And now trim this sketch, select this and select up to this and go to the feature and select extrude cut and extrude cut to up to this. Now again make it, so simply select this face, right click, then normal and select convert entity, select this face and select it, and again go to the sketch and make the offset of 4 mm. So select this line and select the reverse direction, then OK. And now trim this sketch, so select trim and simply select and drag this, and now drag this line also and again drag this line, then OK. And make the extrude cut up to this face, so go to the feature and select extrude cut and make extrude cut up to 50 mm, then OK. It will be extrude from this face. And now we make the fillet of 10 mm, so go to the fillet and make the fillet of 12 mm, then OK. Select this face and select this face. Now again select this face now again select the fillet and select this face and again select this face, then OK. It will be selected. Now we make the hole on this face, so select this face, right click sketch, then normal and go to the circle and make the circle up to 20 mm. So simply from this point make the line. So first of all make the center line, so select this point to this and make the circle of 20 mm. So select a smart dimension and go to the smart dimension and make it 20 mm, then OK. And again we make the circle of Now make the circle of 20 mm. So make the center line from this point and up to this, and make the mirror entity. Select this sketch and mirror about this center line, then OK, and make it extrude cut this sketch. So simply go to the feature and make it extrude cut, then OK, extrude cut but up to the next. So go to the feature and select extrude cut and make it, then OK, it will be extrude cut from this face. Now again we make the fillet to all the corners of 5 mm. So go to the fillet and select this corner and make it 5 mm, then OK, and again select this and select this, and also select this sketch and select this one and this one. Now it will be selected, and select this also, then OK, and again make the fillet to this all the corner to 5 mm. So go to the fillet and now select this face, it will be selected, and again select this face and select this face, it will be selected, then OK, and make the fillet to this body. So select all the body to fillet. So select fillet and make the fillet on this face also, and this face also selected. So make the fillet on this face. So go to the fillet and now select this face and select OK, it will be selected, and go to the fillet and select this corner, make the fillet, but the fillet will be 2 mm, then OK. Now we design the uppercase body of the battery. Now again we apply the material to this body. So simply go to the appearance and select plastic and select low gloss and select this to this body, and again make the select this face and make the appearance, select this appearance and select linear pattern and make it yellow, and select this also and make it also yellow color, and again select this body and go to the appearance and now select the boss extrude and make it metal and make it aluminum and select polished aluminum and it will be selected, then OK. Now we design the cover of this battery design. So make it, so we save this cover design. Now go to the file and select new, then go to the file and select save as and select part 2 cover, then save, it will be saved to our destination, and again we make the nut we make the bolt for this battery. So go to the file and select new, then select part, then OK, and we select the front plane, right click, sketch, and make the circle of 18 mm. So select and make it 18 mm, and extrude up to 50 mm. Go to the feature and select extrude boss base and make it 50 mm, then OK, and on this face select this face, sketch, then normal, and change to plain white, and make the polygon from this face. So go to the select polygon and select this point, and again select this line, and the gap between both this point to this point will be 29 mm. So select 29 mm, then OK, and extrude up to this 10 mm. So go to the feature and select extrude boss base up to 10 mm, then OK, now OK, and from this now select the right plane, sketch, then normal, and go to the line, select this line up to this line to this line, and make this line 1.5 mm. So select 1.5 mm, then OK, and this line also be 1.5 mm, then OK, and make the center line. So select and make the center line, make sure it is vertical, and go to the feature and select revolve cut, and it will be selected this line, and then OK. Now we make the nut and select this face, right click, then sketch, normal, and make the center line from this point to this point up to this point, and again select the center line and make this line up to this line, and make this offset of 2 mm bi-directional. So simply go to the offset entities and select 2 mm, then OK, and select this sketch and make it bi-directional, and select this also, select this sketch, and select it bi-directional, then OK, and again select, go to the offset entity and select this center line and make it, then OK, and select the line, select this line up to this line, and again go to the line and select the line and make the line from this point to this point, and again select the line and make the line from this point up to this point, and again exit the sketch and select the line and make the line from this point to this point, then OK, and go to the trim entities and select trim to up to this, and now select this and this, and then OK, and I think it is so. Make untrim this part, so we will later apply to do this and make it untrim, and now OK, and we make the thread on this face. So go to the thread, go to the feature. Now exit the sketch and select the thread and select this thread location and make the thread of M20 into 1.5 and the distance will be 35 mm. So select 35, then OK, and make it extrude thread, then OK. It will be cut from this face, and now on this face make the extrude cut. So simply go to this face, select this face, sketch, now it will selected. So select this face, right click, this sketch. So sketch and make it convert entity and go to the feature and make it extrude cut and select through all, then OK. It will be cut from this face. Now again this face, make this face to extrude cut. So simply select this face and select the right click. So it will be selected later, but now select this and make the sketch and make it convert entity, and again go to the feature and select extrude cut and make it through all, then OK. It will be cut from this side, and OK. Now we apply the material to this body. So go to the appearance and make it brushed aluminum. So it will be selected. I think chrome is better, so make it chrome and select polish chrome, and it will be selected this. Now it will takes more time to select this appearance body, and now we save this bolt. So go to the file and now select save as and select part 3, name it bolt, then save. And the last one, make the nut for this battery design. So go to the file and select new, then select part, then OK, and make it plane white and select front plane, right click, sketch, and select the polygon from this point and go to the smart dimension from this point to this point. Select a smart dimension, select this line and this line, the gap will be 30 mm, then OK, and make the circle of 18 mm. So select and go to the smart dimension and make it 18 mm, then OK, and extrude up to 15 mm from the mid plane. So go to feature and make it extrude boss base and make it 15 mm, and the condition will be mid plane, then OK, and So select the right plane, sketch, then normal, and make the sketch and make the revolve cut. So simply select the center line and make the center line up to this, and select the line, select this line to this line, and select this up to this, and now go to the smart dimension, and from this line it will be 1 mm, and again from this line it also be 1 mm. Then OK, and go to the mirror entity, select this sketch and mirror about this line, then OK, and now make the center line to vertical to this. So simply select the center line, and from this point select this, and now go to the feature and select revolve cut and select this center line, then OK, it will be selected. Now we apply the thread to this knot. So go to the thread and select the thread location, and now it will be selected, and make it. Now we apply the extrude thread on this face. So select this, it will be extruded, and we cut this. So simply go to the right plane, sketch, then normal, and make the line. So select this line, now select this line and select this line up to this, and this line, and make this line up to this line, and now make the extrude cut through all. So go to the feature and select extrude cut and select through all, but select through all both directions, then OK, it will be cut from this part. And now we apply the material to this nut. So simply go to and select the chrome plate, then OK, it will be selected. And now select this face and make it extrude boss base. So again select this face, sketch, and make it convert entities, and now go to the feature and go to the extrude boss base, and extrude boss base up to next, select up to next, then OK, it will be selected, then OK, and again we save this nut. So go to the file and select save as, and name it nut, then OK, it will be saved. Now we assemble all the parts of battery design. So select the file and select new, then select assembly, then OK. Now we select the main body and drag up to this, and make the background to plain white. OK, and we assemble the cover of this battery. So go to the insert component and select cover, then OK, and we select this and move up to this, and now go to the mate and we select, go to the advanced mate and we select with mate, and now we select this face and select this face and again we select this face, and the last one, this face, it, then okay, it will be moved to, and again go to the matte and select this face and this face and make it coincident, then okay, and again we select the matte and select this face, and again select this one. Now it will be selected, and move up to this and make the relation coincident, then okay, it will be moved to this one. And now we assemble the nut and bolt. So simply go to the insert entity and now select the bolt and select up to this, and again go to the matte, select this one and select this, and make the relation concentric, and the relation will be concentric, then okay, it will be selected. Now okay, and now we make the relation. Now select this face and this face, select this face, but the gap between both this face will 20 mm, then okay, it will be selected, and again go to the insert component and select bolt and drag up to this, and select the matte and make this, select this circle and select this, and first of all go to the matte, select this, so it now make the rotate to this body, then okay, and again go to the matte and now select this face, select this circular face, and now select this circular face and make the relation concentric, then it will be selected, then okay, click this and make it transparency, and again select this and drag up to this, then okay, and make it untick the transparency, and make the relation from this face, and again select this face, and the gap will be 20 mm, then okay. Now go to the insert component and select the nut, then okay. Now we select the view axis and go to the matte and select the axis, select this axis and select the this axis and make it coincident, and then OK. Now we make this body transparency, so select transparency and select this knot and drag up to this body, so it will be drag and move, and select up to this, then OK. And again go to the insert component and select the knot and drag up to this, and again go to the mate, select this axis and select this axis, and then OK, it will be selected. Then move this knot, so simply select this knot and move up to this. Now we can adjust as your requirement, so make it, then OK. Now we change it transparency. Now we design this simple battery design in SolidWorks, so select this, open this part and make it, select this, go to this and select the white gloss plastic and make it something black, so it looks good, and select this and select boss extrude and make it metal chrome, then OK. And now select this face and again it will be selected all the, and again select this fillet also, then OK. Now it will be converted to metal body and all the body will be plastic. Then exit the sketch and shape change it to, now it look good. So we design the simple battery in SolidWorks. Now if you want to explode view to this battery, so go to the view and select view, select show height and select and go to this and untick this axis, and if you want to make the explode view to this battery design, so go to the exploded view and select this sketch and press with shift key and select this bolt and simply drag and make up to this, and now we select the knot and make it radial step and select this also knot and make it and drag up to this, now OK. And now select the exploded view and select this with shift key and select this and up to this, and now select this knot and press with shift key and select this and move upward this, and now select this face and move backward and select this and move up to this, then OK. Now we select the assembly, right click, make it collapse and again select make it exploded, now make it collapse Then if you want to see the exploded view of this battery, so go to assembly, right click and make it animate explode. Now it will be exploded from its position. Now look how we design a simple battery in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.